Forget that. Howdy ho, Arkansas Pilgrim here again. Hopefully I'm in frame. My selfie camera is messed up because I cracked my screen on my phone again, and its crack goes right across the camera. At any rate, to the subject at hand, I am planting my fall garden. Gonna do cabbage again, which if you dig back into the recesses of my play catalog, you'll find some stuff about, the cabbage I planted that didn't do so hot. At any rate, I'm going to show you what I'm doing a little bit different this time. Come along. Here are the two areas where I'm planting the cabbage. They're actually the same ones that I planted before. I'll rotate crops later. I went through, re-tilled, and spread some 13-13-13 fertilizer, did some pre-fertilizing, and now I've gone through and I'm planting at final spacing. That's how it's sort of square foot gardening-ish, rather than just planting a whole row and tearing out 90% of them. Well, if you see the little sticks stuck in there, I went ahead and marked final spacing plantings. Then I went through, and actually, as you'll see on the one over here, what I've done on most of the rest, I went and I dug like a little, shallow bowl around, and I'm going to do that on each one of these. And, well, hey, I'll just show you as I do it. All right, pretty simple. Just go ahead and dig a little bowl, move the soil around. And purpose of that is so, I'll just do one at a time here so you can see. Take some compost. My compost kind of looks like dirt, but 1, 2, 3. Here, kind of spread around. Put some compost, and then, got a couple seeds. These are good quality seeds, so I'm just going to plant 2. Just going to stick them right next to the little stick there, cover them over. And now, I've got some leaf mulch. Don't want too much over where the seeds are, and let's throw a little more around. Okay, and the final step is going to be gently watering, which is, see if I can do this with using, there we go. I don't have my redneck GoPro gadget holding my camera, I'm doing it by hand. But, you guys get the idea of how watering works. There we go. I'm going to do that to the rest of these. Do all of them at once. I just wanted to film the one to show you. And hopefully, this is going to make a difference, because that bowl I dug out is going to help hold water when I water the plants instead of having it run around. Even though I added compost to it, it's the compost is going to compact down, and it's still going to be a bowl, and with this soil with a lot of clay in it, we won't have water running all over the place. It'll go right to the plant. So, and it'll also give me place to add more compost or other fertilizer, and it'll stay near the plant. So anyway, hey, wish me luck with this, and God bless y'all. See you next time.